Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Jonathan Online, and today we are still going to consider an update in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Now, in those days, when you want to forward a picture with an inscription or a caption to a friend, and you use the direct forwarding, it's only the picture that goes. The caption is not attached. But now WhatsApp has a latest trick added to the update, whereby you can forward a picture post with the caption. And I'm going to show you how. Let's start. I have this picture here, this post containing the caption from Pitch Music, and I want to forward it to a friend. So what I do is I tap on the picture. Then you can see the top right corner. There are three dots at the top. Tap and a menu will pop up. You can see all media, share, set as my profile, rotate left, rotate right, copy caption, delete. This time around we are going to use copy caption. So click copy caption. You will see a message saying message copied. You are good to go. Now go to the friend or the group where you want to forward the message, and then send. Upload the image. Upload the image. So let's say I want to upload this image. After selecting the image, paste the caption here, the caption box. Paste the caption here. Then do your necessary corrections or editings. Then forward or send. You can see that it has been sent exactly as it is received. Isn't it wonderful? If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video and forward or share with your friends and family and loved ones. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for subscribing. See you in next tutorial. Bye.